What's up, guys? Today we're back with another video and we're making yogurt cake. So we have yogurt, lemon, 3 eggs, vanilla, sugar, flour, and yeast. So first we'll have the yogurt. So now we have to crack the eggs. Okay. So next is sugar. Okay, that's flour, no? Yes. How much?
Where's the lemon?
3.
Ooh, look at that.
A flour volcano. Okay, I think it's done. The rest will be done. Good. Okay.
What else?
I drop
On the volcano, there's gonna be lava. Yeah. There we go.
because when you bake the
I wish you
vanilla,
could smell this, guys. It smells
What?
delicious.
when you bake the
It
vanilla,
tastes disgusting if you eat
the
it.
vanilla,
I'll tell you that.
when you bake the vanilla, makes
I tried it
vanilla.
earlier. Disgusting.
now the lemon.
Yeah, forget about the lemon.
So there's the peel.
That looks like rice or
There's
noodles.
hair on the volcano.
Yes, here.
Yeah. Volcano is here. Blonde hair like me, no?
Exactly, blonde.
So 1 full packet. No?
Now you mix it.
So like once there's like almost no flour like this, you can start
Is that a bus?
mixing with the machine if you have one. The spoon to clean the spatula and the spatula to clean the spoon.
It smells yummy.
I know it smells delicious.
Except the lemon. But the smell is the vanilla. That's what makes it smell so good.
Get the machine ready.
Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it?
The top, right? This one.
Pop.
The top
Yes.
bottom.
Yeah, turbo it says. It's cool how like in the middle, there's nothing in the middle of
Like the whirlpool.
in the middle nothing. I use the spatula to clean this. Can we just lick this instead, Papa? And take all the things?
Papa, you're not working after this, huh?
Hold it, Joe.
We're playing bang after this. This is my
Mommy.
brother. He's Joel.
Mommy, Bubba.
He plays with me a lot with my
Let's
dad.
finish the video.
This is my dad. This is my dad. I play with him, with Joel and me. Look, look.
Hmm.
That's what we're going to do.
Hmm.
So now we're gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes, yeah. At 108 degrees. So we'll see you again in 30 minutes. Bye. So now the cake's done, so let's get it out of the oven. It's so hot. Okay, well now, I guess it's hot now. Ah. Don't do this at home, guys. Now we decorated the cake, it's ready. And shh, don't tell my mom. We're gonna sing happy birthday to them, okay?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gloria. Happy birthday to you.
Take away 3. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay.
Yay!